What's up, guys? I'm Nate with Wichita Homeworks, and today I'm out on our 2 custom home builds. We've got a whole bunch of things going on today, so I'm excited to take you guys through them. I'm going to attempt to take us through both of them. They're both at a little bit different stages, but going to take you through and show you what we got going on. So we've got garage doors going up on the big one. Take you in here. So this end garage is going to be kind of like a rec room that can be opened up in the summertime or when the weather's nice. So we did the vaulted ceiling through here. Got the framers out there just finishing up this Douglas fir truss. This thing turned out really cool. These are 12 by 12 cedar trusses, or cedar beams, that we turned into this massive gable truss. Really turned out cool. We got that whole bank of windows going up on the back side of the house. We're still waiting for a couple of those windows to come in, so we'll have lots of glass. And then on the underside of that overhang, we're going to be doing a cedar car siding. And this will be really cool looking out over the lake behind me. I'll take you back inside and we can look around the inside. So right now we've got all the trades in here. So the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, the guys are hard at it, trying to get everything roughed in. Once we get everything roughed in, then we can move on to the insulation and drywall stage. So here's the garage. They're getting the garage doors up. Come in through the garage, and this is going to be kind of a large mud room with some built-in kind of like lockers and cubbies for kids to hang up backpacks and drop their shoes. Got the master bedroom, nice big window with some transom windows above it, looking out on that lake. And you can see here behind us in the master, the walk-in closet is going to double as the storm shelter. So this is a solid concrete room. The cap, the walls, and everything's tied back into the floor. So even though this is a slab on grade, they're still going to have that storm protection. Then off of the master, we've got the master bathroom. Gonna have a freestanding tub over here in front of the window. We got a custom shower going in over there, water closet, and then another walk-in closet with some laundry hookups as well. We'll walk out here, and this is by far my favorite part of the house. We got the main living room, dining room area with that huge vaulted roof, vaulted ceiling. You're looking at 29 feet from the finished floor all the way up to that inside peak. So this is going to be the kitchen space with a huge island going in. Got some really nice windows again on the side looking out over the lake while you're doing dishes. This whole wall is going to be windows, so get to look out through that Douglas fir truss. Then you've got the entryway, another vaulted ceiling above it, and it's really cool how it steps up into that higher space. This living room is going to be really cool when it's done. Just this massive open space. So you can see they got the HVAC lines run. We're getting all of the electrical put up, and plumbing is just about finished. So off of the living room space, we've got the big rec room and home theater space. This one's gonna have a wet bar looking out over the lake again, and a bathroom off of it. And then as you come out of the rec room, you've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms here, each off of here, and they each have a bathroom. And we got another laundry room back here. That way you don't have to walk all the way across the house to get to the laundry room. Show you the front part of the house. So we got the dormers up on the roof. We got the decorative Douglas fir trusses again on the front. All the zip boards up, all the windows are in and flashed. We're going to be ready for siding and masonry next. We got the roof already loaded with the shingles, so that'll be happening next week. So we're coming along. Let's go over to the other house, and we're in the drywall stage, so I want to show you that one next. There you can see the 4 garage doors on this side. For masonry and siding. Doors up, roofs on. So again, we got the decorative duck fir on the front. Still got to set the 2 vertical posts. Got all the siding sitting here ready to go. We're going to be using hardy siding on this one, so that's the fiber cement board. All right. So you can see they got most of the sheetrock hung here in the garage spaces. Then as you step off the garage, you can come into the rec room. Kind of similar to the other house. Nice big space. We're going to have a wet bar against that wall. And this one's going to be pretty cool because we'll have the glass overhead door in that space. So they can open that up, and we'll have a countertop on the outside as well by the pool. So, or you can come into the laundry room off of the garage, and this will be a mud room as well. Through there, and we've got the big living room space. So this one's a little bit different ceiling style. Still about 16 feet to the inside. Did a bunch of windows along the backside so they could enjoy the view. And then we're going to be putting in a double sliding glass door in the space that you see. It's got the plywood over it. Got a fireplace, wood burning fireplace along there. That'll be the entryway. And then we're going to have a kitchen over here in this corner. And again, we'll have a island that sets diagonally in here. So that's the pantry. Again, there's the fireplace, and off of the living room, you got the master bedroom. Got a big window out to the back where you can see the lake. Off of the master bedroom is the master bathroom. So again, they'll have a freestanding tub sitting in front of the window. We're going to have his and her vanities. So one over here, and then one over on this side. And again, we've got another custom shower that we're going to be putting in. This will actually be a steam shower, so that'll be pretty cool to show you guys. And then off of here, we've got the walk-in closet. It's bigger than any bathroom in my house. And we've got the water closet. So back out of the master bedroom, come into that nice, huge living room space. And back along here, we've got more bedrooms and an office space and some bathrooms. This will be kind of a home gym area. Got a couple bedrooms over here. All the bedrooms have walk-in closets. Hall bath, double vanity. And I have a nice sized linen closet, water closet, and then a shower, tub shower combo. And another bedroom. Mechanical room with the storm shelter over in the corner. So we're coming along nicely. Next stages will be to finish up hanging the drywall over here. Then there'll be taping and finishing. And once we get that done, we'll get cabinets set, we'll get trim work in, start painting, and things will really start to take shape. So this is still a really great time if anyone has ever been thinking about building their own home. Interest rates are still super low. It's hard to find existing homes that have already been lived in right now because of a really low inventory in the real estate market. So if you're looking to start your custom home, we'd be more than happy to sit down with you, and we can take care of all of the design work for you in-house and get you accurate estimate and get the project started. So feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email or message on one of our social media pages. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.